Hello, boys and girls. Here is a story about Frog and Toad. This is Toad.
Hello.
This is Frog.
Hello.
Frog and Toad are very good friends. What is Toad doing? He is still in bed. In the morning,
Toad.
Frog goes to see Toad.
Oh, my!
I know my house is dirty, but I'm so sleepy.
Your jacket and trousers are on the floor. They're dirty. Please wash them.
All right, I'll wash them tomorrow.
Toad, your dishes are dirty. Please wash them.
I'll do it tomorrow.
Toad, the table is dirty. Please clean it.
I'll do it tomorrow.
Toad, your flowers need some water.
Oh, I'll water the flowers tomorrow. Huh?
Toad, what's wrong?
Toad has many things to do tomorrow. What are they? Wash the clothes and dishes, clean the table, and water the flowers.
I have to wash the clothes, wash the dishes, clean the table, and water the flowers. I can't do so many things tomorrow.
Toad, you're right. You have so many things to do. You can do them today, Toad. That's right. You can do them today.
That's a good idea. I'll wash the clothes now, and I won't have to do it tomorrow. I'll wash them right away.
Good. Let me help you.
So Frog and Toad wash the dishes together. They water the flowers and they clean the table together. Is it clean and tidy now?
I like my house a lot more now.
Your house is clean and tidy. Huh?
Now I've done all that work, I can do something I really want to do tomorrow.
What's that?
I'll tell you tomorrow.
What is Toad going to do tomorrow? Let's wait and see. The next morning, Toad gets up early. What is he going to do today?
I have so many things to do. I think I'll write them all down on a list.
So Toad writes on a piece of paper a list of things to do today. He writes,
Wake up. I've already done that.
Says Toad, and he crosses out wake up.
There.
What does Toad have to do today?
I've done my list. Ha-ha. Hee-hee. Now, a list of things to do today. Wake up. Have breakfast. Get dressed. Go to Frog's house. Take a walk with Frog. Have lunch. Take a nap. Play games with Frog. Have supper. Go to sleep. That's my list of things to do. Now!
He gets out of bed and has breakfast. Then Toad crosses out, have breakfast. Next, Toad puts his clothes on.
Aha!
Then
Get
he
dressed!
crosses out, get dressed.
I've done that! Yay!
He opens the door and goes outside. Where is Toad going? Aha! He is at Mr. Frog's door.
My list!
Then he crosses out, go to Frog's house.
Hello, Frog! Frog! Hello!
Hello.
Look at my list of things to do!
A list. That's nice.
Yes! Now my list says, take a walk with Frog. Ready?
All right. Let's go.
So Frog and Toad go for a long walk.
Ah, my list!
He crosses out, take a walk with Frog.
We've done that. Oh,
Just
the
then,
wind.
there is a
It's windy.
strong wind.
Oh,
Oh, what? My list!
the list.
My list!
The
That's
paper
my
flies
list.
into the air.
What am I going to do without my list?
Hurry. Run and catch it.
I can't do that.
Why not?
Because it's not on my list of things to do. It's just not on my list of things to do. Oh dear, oh dear.
So Frog runs after the list. He runs and runs. The list flies and flies. Can Frog get Toad's list back?
Well,
I'm sorry, but I couldn't catch your list.
blah. I don't know. I just have to sit here and do nothing. I can't do anything without my list.
They sit for a long time.
Toad,
Ah?
it's getting dark. We should go to sleep.
Go to sleep. Yay! That was on my list.
Toad
Yeah.
writes on the ground with a stick.
Go to sleep. There.
Now my list is all done.
Good.
So they go home together. At last, Toad has done everything on his list. Do you remember what is on his list?